I think the best part of this big Cadillac is how well this 5.0 liter V8 runs. Let me show you how this fires up and just purrs. Well, if you want a land yacht, something that'll move you down the road with great smoothness, this might be it. Look at that. Just fires right up and just purrs. This is like sitting in a hotel lobby in one of those super comfortable couches. You gotta hear this engine. Amazing. Sounds just like a big V8 should sound with only 82,000 miles. Look at how smooth this runs, even after having sat for 3 to 4 years. It's a nice engine. This engine burns super clean. Look at that. No exhaust smoke. It has a good exhaust sound. I think the exhaust system was replaced. But this car has a lot of potential.